Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your channel, Brilliant Minds Mani Room. I have brought this video for informatics practices and computer science students. Those are going to appear for CUET expected in July first week. Okay, let us start with the first test. This is my first practice test for you students. First of all, you will be given few instructions that you have to read when you appear for CUET. Here, I have given you these instructions. The test contains 15 questions and you know very well you will be awarded 5 marks for each correct answer. Okay, each question has 4 options out of which only one is correct. You have to finish the test in 20 minutes and for each incorrect answer there will be -1. Your 1 mark will be deducted. Okay, 5 marks for correct answer and there is negative marking also. अगर आपका आंसर wrong है then 1 minus आपका हो जाएगा. Okay, तो अगर आपने सारी इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ ली होंगी जब आप अपीयर होंगे तो उसके बाद आपको डेक्लेरेशन पढ़नी होगी. I have read all the instructions carefully and have understood them. Okay, I agree not to cheat or use unfair means in the examination and so on. Okay, you have to click it. आपने उसे चेक करना है and click on proceed. Now first question, the axis 0 identifies a data frames. Okay, 4 options are here: rows, columns, values, data type. I want to start with data type. Oh, oops. Values, wrong. Should I try with rows? Yes. You are correct. You gain 5 marks, students. अगर आपका यही option था, 5 marks you will be getting. Continue. करना चाहते हैं? Okay. Second question. Which accessing way is used to extract the part of a series? आपको series के एक part को extract करना है. Is it called indexing, or cutting, cropping, or slicing? Oh, cutting, wrong. Slicing, yes, correct. Again, give 5 marks to yourself. Number 3, a dash can be understood as a container to store data in a computer. Information, primary key, file, or document. I want to start with primary key. Oh, wrong. Document, again wrong. File, yes, file is the correct answer. You get 5 marks for file. Okay, continue. Question 4. The rules and regulations of the particular programming that are not allowed while writing a program can raise which type of error? Semantic error, syntax error, input-output error, or import error. I want to start with this. Oh, oops. Okay, import. Semantic, again wrong. Syntax, yes, it is the correct answer. Give yourself 5 more. Question number 5. What does the term HTTPS mean? Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Service, Hypertext Translation Protocol Service, Hypertext Translation Protocol Secure. I want to try this one. Wrong. Translation Protocol Service, again wrong. Transfer Protocol Secure, you are correct. 5 marks for this first option. Let's continue. Question number 6. A dash is an ordered collection of finite or homogeneous data elements. Is it linked list or graph or tree or hash table? So इस क्विज के अंदर there may be 3 or 4 questions जो कि कंप्यूटर साइंस वाले स्टूडेंट्स के लिए होगा. So you can skip those questions, IP students. Okay. Linked list, wrong. Graph, wrong. Should I try this one? Correct. Okay, let us continue. Question number 7. At which part of plots legends are shown by default? जो आपका प्लॉट्स के अंदर लेजेंड्स होते हैं वो कहां पर शो होते हैं बाय डिफॉल्ट? अपर राइट, लोअर राइट, अपर लेफ्ट और लोअर लेफ्ट? रॉन्ग. अपर राइट, रॉन्ग. अपर लेफ्ट, करेक्ट. यू आर करेक्ट. अगर ये ऑप्शन आपने सोचा था, गिव 5 marks to yourself. अपना स्कोर नोट डाउन करिएगा. लास्ट में यू कैन चेक कि आपके कितने मार्क्स आए हैं. In total, there are 15 questions. 7 we have solved. Now, number 8. What is the complexity of selection sort or algorithm? O2n, ON, ON square, ON log 2n. Okay, which one you want to try? This one? Wrong. This one? Correct. 5 marks for this correct option. Number 10. In which data structure elements are added and removed from the same end? Array, queue, stack, list. List se try kare. Wrong. Queue, again wrong. Stack. Yeah. You are correct. 5 marks for stack. Next question, number 11. Which is the highest reliable topology? Ring, star, mesh, or bus? Is it star? No. Ring? No. Bus? No. Mesh? Yes, 5 marks for mesh technology. Next question, number 12. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Remote Locator, Uniform Remote Plan, Universal Resource Locator. Should I try this one? Wrong. Wrong. First one? Yes, Uniform Resource Locator was the correct option. Next question. MAC address is written in which format? Binary, octal, decimal, or hexadecimal? Should I try with decimal? Wrong. Octal? Again wrong. Hexa? Correct. Hexadecimal is the correct answer. जो MAC address होता है, it is always written in hexadecimal. Now, let's move to question number 14. The Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET, is responsible for the development of which of the following? Email, website, nuclear fuel, or internet? Website? Wrong. Nuclear fuel? Again wrong. Internet? Yes. ARPANET is responsible for internet. Next question. This is question number 15, the last question. Which one is a web browser? Facebook? Wrong. Outlook? No. Internet? Yes. You are correct. आपका क्विज यहाँ पर खत्म हो गया स्टूडेंट्स. आपने कितने मार्क्स स्कोर किए? Do write in the comment. Okay? And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe it. All the best for your CUET to be held in July.